Hello and welcome to another episode of
Why My Wallet Cries, yeah.
Today we will be opening a box of Crown Zenith, or the Crown Zenith Elite Trainer box. I've heard so much about the Crown Zenith booster packs these days. They are a very hot commodity that are constantly going up in price. So let's find out if they live out to the hype. Nice sleeves, card sleeves. Ooh, gold, shiny. And a large pack of energy cards and the promo. Beautiful promo. Our coveted packs of cards. The V-Star marker. Our plastic dice, yellow and black. Flip coins. Code card, of course. And wait a second. There's a second promo card? There's two?
Twins, yes.
Alright. Sweet. Card dividers. Alright, the beautiful packs. Let's get started. Are they as amazing as everyone says they are? Boy, the wrap on these just feels thick and how different from every other pack I've opened. Is there a card trick? Nope. Code card first. Nice and reflective. Alright, there is a pack trick. Solrock, Rare Candy, Luxio, Chatot, Mr. Mime, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof, Coughing, a full art Toxicity. Wow, what a way to start. Guessing the double promos was signs of good things to come, hopefully. Let's see if we can keep it going. Alright, pack 2. Bisharp, Lunatone, Rescue Carrier, Riolu, Starly, Slither, Pokeball, Yungoos, Galarian Mr. Mime, Reverse Hollow, and a Simisear V. Wow, we're just hitting pack after pack. Yeah, just such a solid feel to the wrapper. Love the way that feels. Time for the old pack trick. Energy Switch. Croc, Lunatone, Love Disc, Emolga, Yanma, Poniard, Kricketot. Ooh, Radiant Eternus. Look at that. The hits keep rolling. We're 3 for 3 right now? I didn't seem to believe people when they said these packs were amazing. And definitely living up to the hype. Let's see what's behind pack number 4. Metang, Pin Urchin, Rare Candy, Corphish, Pawniard, Seal, Rockruff, Aaron, Summons into Reverse Hollow, and a Luxray. Finally a pack that didn't hit. Had to be one, right? Salazzle, Dusclops, Metang, Yungoos, Starly, Cherubi, Switch, Execute. Ooh, full art Duskull. Look at that thing. Ooh, and a trainer hop? What is that? There looks like there's writing on the card. That's so weird. Interesting trainer. Still obsessing over the writing, but the Duskull is awesome. Great Ball, Soul Rock, Trekking Shoes, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Whalmer, Shinx, Holographic Energy, that's pretty cool, and a Blossom. Maybe less cool. Would prefer full art card, but we'll take the energy. These packs seem to open so nicely too. Just a gentle tug, immediately comes apart. Got the V-Star marker, Bisharp, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Aaron, Corphish, Energy Search, Scyther, Riolu, Digging Duo, Reverse Hollow, and a non-hollow Executor. Got a couple more packs left to go. Ultra Ball, Electric, Lost Vacuum, Helioptile, Panchamp, Switch, Snorunt, Larvesta, Wailord, Reverse Hollow, and Lycanroc, non-hollow. Again, I apologize for butchering some of these Pokemon names that I'm not very familiar with. Giraffe, Pincurchin, Rescue Carrier, Shinx, Larvesta, Oddish, Seal, Potion. Oh, what we got? Ooh, look at that. Deoxys V-Star.
Nice.
That is a beautiful card. That is an amazing looking card. Oh, and a Regigigas V-Star right behind it. Double hitter. Man, those are some good looking cards. We got last pack magic. Let's see what we got. At this point, we've gotten so many hits, I wouldn't even be upset if this one didn't have anything in it. Luxio, Frenzen, I don't know how to say that one. Luxio again. Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin. Skrelp. Interesting art. Wooloo. Full art Lapras. Look at that. What a way to wrap it up. And a holographic Entei. Take a look at all of the hits we got for this set, for this ETB. Got the Lapras, Entei, Deoxys, Regigigas, Duskull. Not sure if Hop's a hit, it just looks strange. Radiant Eternus, Simisear, Toxtricity, Full Art, and 2 promos, because why not? Still, the weird scribbles on that trainer weird me out just slightly. Thanks for watching.